Avoid the same old boring ice cream. Store-bought flavors not hitting right? Limited options aren't our fault.
Everything you saw in this video is completely fake and totally generated with AI. There are thousands of other AI characters out there that you can use to promote and drive traffic to your online products. This technique is now used by popular shop owners to easily drive traffic from TikTok and Instagram to their online stores without paying a single dollar to a UGC content creator. So imagine saving time and money while still reaching millions of potential customers online. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can use these AI features to easily promote your online product on a fast-growing platform like TikTok, helping you maximize your earnings. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. If you're not familiar with the term UGC, it stands for user-generated content, a popular niche on TikTok and Instagram. UGC is widely used in marketing to build trust and authenticity because it comes directly from real people who have interacted with a product, service, or platform. Due to the effectiveness of UGC, top online stores often pay significant amounts of money to creators to promote their products. However, small shop owners may not have the capital to hire UGC creators to promote their brand. This is where AI comes in, providing an opportunity for small business owners to generate realistic UGC characters that are almost indistinguishable from real people. By providing a script to the AI, it can produce highly convincing results. But before we dive into the process, let's first choose a product to create a promotional video for. In this video, I'll be using Etsy to find inspiration on the type of product I want to sell, but you can follow the same steps if you're selling on a platform like Amazon. For this video, I'll be focusing on wall art niche, which has a high potential for quick sales. For example, this wall art design inspired by Van Gogh has generated $44K in total revenue and continue to make daily sales. And products like this can easily be created using AI. I've included a link in the description to a video that will show you exactly how to create such designs. Now, let's assume you already know how to create this product using AI. I want to make a promo video for it. The first step is to copy the URL of the product page. Once you have the URL, you need an AI platform to transform it into a viral looking video. That's where Topview AI comes in, a game changer in the market. By simply providing the product URL, this AI generates a complete video with a perfect script, voiceover, and even a realistic AI characters. To get started with Topview AI, I've added a link in the description that will take you directly to the platform. Once you're on the platform, you notice a section at the bottom showcasing all available AI avatars that look just like real humans. The great thing about these realistic avatars is their ability to build trust with your customers. When you promote valuable products using these avatars, people are more likely to make purchases without hesitations. To get started, begin by creating an account. Once your account is set up, click on Create Video with AI. On the next page, you see that this platform supports URL links from various popular platforms. Then, we paste the product URL we copy from Etsy. The AI will process the link and suggest related photos and videos to include in the final video. You can also add or replace images to customize the visuals further. The platform will also generate information based on the URL, including a detailed video brief highlighting key points to mention in the final video. And if the information provided doesn't meet your expectations, you can edit the details to better align with what you need. Below, you find the option to change the aspect ratio to your preference. For this video, I'll select the 9:16 ratio. After that, I'll choose English as the language. Next, I'll move to the voiceover section. There are numerous options to choose from, and the best part is that you can sort them by gender, age, style, and language. Once you've selected the voiceover that suits your need, we'll move over to the most exciting part, choosing the AI avatars. When you click on any of these characters, you notice that each avatars offer different scenes. This is especially useful if you want to use the same avatar to create multiple videos. Once you've selected an avatar, click Generate. Topview AI will provide 3 sample videos for you to choose from, each with a unique script. Additionally, you can customize how your avatars sound by switching to a different voiceovers if needed. Once everything is set, here is the final result of the video.
Tired of boring blank walls? Let's fix that. I was blown away by the Van Gogh wall art. Finding cool art is tough, right? Either it's too pricey or hard to get. Digital downloads are a game changer, easily accessible and affordable. I printed mine on textured paper, transformative. Hanging it up made my space.
Now that you've successfully created a video, it's time to start posting them on the social media platform. I recommend focusing on TikTok since it's a rapidly growing platform. Now, instead of waiting passively for customers to discover your product on Etsy, you can actively drive your TikTok audience to your store. This strategy allows you to promote your product while also building a loyal audience, essentially like killing two birds with one stone. Finally, I hope this video was able to inspire you on how you can potentially create an AI UGC content to boost your sales in your online store. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.